The most critical facet of Elite's business model is our approach to finding optimal solutions. We know the importance of asking the right questions before a compound can be fully developed. Whereas a typical solution in rubber compounding may meet a standard specification, an optimal solution is an enhanced design, resulting in superior materials that meet a unique specification. How does Elite determine optimal solutions? Through a process we call Compounding Competence, which creates the roadmap we follow to arrive at the material that best fulfills that application's requirements. We start by gathering the answers to the 3 E's. The first E is environment. In what kind of environment will the application be used? It is important to know where the non-metallic material is being used and under what conditions. Such conditions may include the types of fluids that the material has to carry and the temperature at which it must perform. The second E is engineering. What is the engineering function of the material? It may be required to insulate either electrically or from heat transfer. It might be required to be flexed or expanding and contracting over time. The dynamic properties or lack of are critical to the design input. And lastly, we have elemental. What elemental components are needed to formulate the material? Once we know what the material is supposed to accomplish and in what environment, we can now select the appropriate raw materials so the right components can be mixed together. This will yield the material that is optimized for the function it is designed to perform. Elite is focused on the functionality of that material, and sometimes that requires simulated testing. When pushing the envelope of performance demands, there are not always existing standards of what to expect from your material. We design test methods that simulate the end use in whatever environment and under whatever conditions, thereby ensuring Elite produces the optimal solution. Optimal solutions are just one element to the Elite advantage.